Here we are in Venice, in the Sestiere of San Polo, and just behind me is the entry of the beautiful, fascinating Rialto fish market. Come and have a look, please. It deserves your attention. The information says nostrane, nostro means from our sea. In fact, the Adriatic Sea fish is considered the best quality fish in Italy, at least. Okay. Uh, One of the highlights are definitely the squid that here are used a lot in recipes with their own black ink, which is unbelievably tasty and gives something more to your preparation. But have a general look of everything. This is the season for branzino, which is this local fish, which is a white flesh, excellent quality, and triglie, the red fish that are typical of the Adriatic, very tasty, very particular. And then is the rombo, from the shape, from the square shape of the body, branzini, and capesante, which are these called also Saint James shells that are particular. You can have in many preparations, very simple but very high quality. And of course, different sides of octopus. But also the flat fish called sogliola in Italian. But here, since everywhere you go there is something different, here are called sfoggetti. I want to attract your attention even to the structure of this market. Beautiful built, and even the column have sculpture of the mythological figure of the sea. And you go inside and you find the treasures. Different sides. Of the octopus that is called piovra, and the beautiful capesante, crabs, and these strange are called cannolichi, which is very tasty. Usually people eat raw, okay? And calamari, and I want to show you the little shrimps called skie, which are still alive. Hello. That is the base of something wonderful local recipes. And of course the clams. Little clams, different sizes of clams, but the clams are the base for the famous spaghetti alle vongole. Mazzancole are also super. Mazzancole are made sometimes in saor, which means with white onions, cooked in vinegar with sultana. More octopus and more very fat branzini, and obviously scampi. Again, the black ink squid, which is a local very important ingredient. More rombi and flatfish. Okay, this is a temple of seafood. That's it. Okay, I'm buying something now just to taste. Few capesante when the man will give me his attention. Good. Ci sono io, allora, me ne dà 3.
Ma certo.
Poi volevo delle schie. Questo si mangia tutto, vero?
Esattamente.
Perfetto.
No, tutto che non ti faccia casino, ma adesso voglio mia. Ah, è quello.
Ecco, basta.
Che va bene?
Va bene.
Perfetto. 125.
E poi volevo
Per i ragazzi che puliscono li metto lì qualcosa? Sì.
No, forse.
le scatolette di baccalà mantecato.
Insomma, te, ma sì.
Ma sono certi stronzi che non danno niente, cavolo.
Lo so, ma te sei così.
Figurati se non li avrò.
Vieni.
È tutto.
È tutto. 23 euro.
The Rialto Fish Market is facing the Grand Canal. You can jump from one side to the next using the traghetto Santa Sofia, which is a big gondola. It's not a normal gondola, it's a big gondola where for 50 cents they take you on the other side of the Grand Canal, okay? Avoiding you to cross many roads, many bridges, a lot of time just to reach that side of the Grand Canal. And this is a very ancient service called traghetto, which literally is ferry, but of course is based on a huge particular gondola. And in 1 minute you cross the Grand Canal and you arrive safe and secure on the other side, like these people are doing in this lovely day in Venice.